Welcome back to the site. Today is a very big day. As you can see, our foundation walls are up, the pillars are set, and we're officially moving into the DPC and casting stage. This is where the house starts to get its real shape. First, we have to fill all these internal spaces with red sand. We don't just dump it, we have to spread it evenly across all the rooms and corners to make sure the ground is level before we even think about pouring concrete. Site work no easy o. The team is on ground, moving sharp sand and getting the materials ready. It takes a lot of coordination to make sure we have everything we need so work doesn't stop halfway. Now, this is the most important part, the compaction. We are using the machine to beat the earth down firmly. As you see, if the ground no strong, the floor go get crack later. We make sure it's rock solid so that your breathing stays safe and sturdy for years. Now the moment you have been waiting for. We are casting the German floor. Our team is pouring the concrete and spreading it carefully to cover the whole area. It's hard work, but seeing it all come together, it's so satisfying. Check out the finishing. The site is looking clean and the slab is officially set. This is a massive milestone for this project. In our next video, we start the block work for the main walls. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to follow the journey. We'll see you in our next video. We are Umek Real Estate Construction Services Limited. We bring your dream home into reality.